Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this project which is traffic signal, and I'm going to show you how it works. The car will be going, and when the signal is red, the cars will stop and some people will go like this. And when it becomes green, the cars will go, and let's make it. Now you should take two cars and one traffic light and one person. This person should have lots of costumes, and the traffic signal should have these lights like this. And now let's do the program for this car. So when the green flag is clicked, it should move. It should move only when this traffic light is in green. So I'm going to make a variable for that. Delete the my variable and click on make a variable, and it should be light. And click on OK. So when the green flag is clicked, keep a forever block and go to variable, and it should set this variable towards to its costume. So it will just always turn in this. The variable will just go in these numbers here like this. It is 3 because this yellow is now in this third costume, so I'm going to code. And now let's do the cast program. So if it's if that variable is equal to 2, that green light, it should go. So I'm going to move 5 steps. And now duplicate this. And also you have to do one thing. In the backdrop, you have to make this cross line and then make a line here. So when the cars touch this line, it should stop there when this traffic light is red. So if the variable is equal to 1, it should repeat until this move should be repeated until it touches the red color line. Okay, now here let's make this traffic light change sometimes. So keep a forever block, and also don't forget to keep the green flag option. And then just keep this switch costume by the costume 1. It is another name because I took it from this the internet. And then it should wait for kind of 3 seconds, and then change it to the third one, which is the yellow one. And then it should wait for 0.1 seconds and change to the second one. So it's going like that. It's so fast. Make it a little slow. Just keep a wait for 3 seconds. Not 300. And now it will work. Okay. So when the car touches the edge, it should come back to this position. You also have to keep this position. When you keep this position, this car should not be touching this edge, because if it's here right now and it's touching the edge, it will just come there and it won't move from its position. So it should be this position. And then keep an if block, and then keep an if touching edge. Just remove this and then duplicate this, keep this back, and then keep this here. So when the car is going, it will come back like this. It came back. Sometimes it will just get stuck here. If you don't want that to happen, just increase this a little bit so that it won't get stuck like that here. And now let's see how it's working. It's going. And it did not get stuck there. So keep this same program in the car. Just drag it and drop it in the car, this car. And you need to make a little bit changes. This car should be in this position. So I'm going to keep this go-to block with this and keep it. So it will go like this. And now let's make this person go. So this person should move only when the traffic light is red. So I'm going to keep a forever block. And then I'll just keep a green flag option. Also keep its position, and it should hide first. Then keep an if block. If this variable is equal to 1, the first costume, which is the red one, it should go to this position, and then it should first you have to keep a show here. It should come to this position, and then just change this position here, and then just take a glide and keep it here. So when it's ready, it will just go like this. And then it should change costume. So it will be like different people is coming like this. And also one thing, just duplicate this and keep it here. If the traffic light is equal to 2, the green one, which is right in here, it should just hide, and it should just be in its normal position here. So it should be there. I'll keep this here. And now let's see how it's working. And it's working, and that's it.